Hi guys. Simple, simple, simple. Ayun guys, tapos na akong tingnan nyo ang environment ko. Yes, malinis, di ba? Wala nang dry leaves. Yan. At dito ay kanina umuulan-ulan. Ngayon okay na. Dito ako magtatambay guys. Alam mo na, magbabantay ako ng tindahan ko. At back to normality of life. Yes. At excited na ako next week guys kung ano mangyayari. Kung ano ang mangyayari. Ayun, at ako ay mayroon akong gagawin guys. Ang gagawin ko ay kung paano ko linisin ang aking kapaligiran. At saka kung paano ko palitan ang aking mga flowers. Gusto ko magkaroon ng maraming rose, yes. Different color of rose. Ayun yung aking target guys. Ang magkaroon ng maraming rose. Tsaka gugupit-gupitin ko rin. Ititrim-trim ko. Ang importante ay may bulaklak. Yun. Kasi mayroon akong gustong gawin. Gusto ko magkaroon ng alam mo yung gagawa ka ng bouquet, yung ganun. Malay mo, 'di ba, may mag-order ng wedding bouquet. Yes. That's my goal. Second goals in life. Habang nag-YouTube ako, gusto ko ay magkaroon ng sariling business na ganun guys. At malay mo makakuha ako ng pwesto, 'di ba? Magpaparent ako ng gown. Yes. Of course, I need assistant to do that. At kung paano man magbayad ng tax, alam ko na. Irerehistro mo ang income mo every month. At yun ay kukuhaan ng tax na kailangan may plus 38%. Hindi ko alam kung 28 or 38. I need to search first or ask. What's better to ask instead of pretend that you know everything. Yes. And I hope I'm gonna be a success for life, for my life, yeah. Coaching is real. At yun nga guys, ang aking plano. That's my plan, yeah. My plan 1 to 10, yeah. Ayun ang gagawin ko guys. Kapag nakuha ko ang aking pera, pensions is my first prioritize. Second is there to my mom's account. Yeah. Third is my YouTube channels. Grabe guys. Nag-i-enjoy sila kakadugas. Thinking about dugas here inside the house. This time guys, ikikip ko ang pera ko sa account ko. At kung kailangan ko ng cash ay mag-over cashier ako. Ayun, yun lang naman, napakasimple, di ba? Ang importante ay maipaayos ko ang aking kisame at bubong. Yun, na maayos siya, na hindi siya nagre-rainy tuwing rainy season. Yeah. If there's a rain, inside the house is rainy too. So, magpapapintura ako ng paligid ko, magpapaayos ako ng aking garden. Yeah, that's my plan. Ayun lang guys, thank you nga pala. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channels. I hope that you can subscribe and know everything about my life in Santa Cruz. Honest is, my life in Santa Cruz is more happier ever. Yeah. I didn't experience abroad, but this time I can experience to relax. Yes. That's my first goal in life. Relax and remove stress that they give it to me every day. Yeah. By the way guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you will support me, continuing support my YouTube channels. Thank you very much. Thank you sa inyong lahat, and God bless you all. Sunday is a Jesus Christ Day. I hope that you give Him time to go to church. By the way guys, thank you so much sa mga suporta nyo, at thank you to stay to my YouTube channels. Love you all. God bless you. Bye-bye.